Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Aquarium is probably one of the most captivating and serene additions you can bring into your home, transforming any space into a vibrant underwater world that offers endless hours of relaxation and a unique opportunity to connect with nature's aquatic wonders, making it much more than just a tank but a living, breathing ecosystem that enriches your daily life. Number 5. NICREW 2.5-gallon Nano Nature Aquarium Kit. This aquarium is perfectly sized for small spaces like your desktop or countertop. It effortlessly brings a touch of nature into your home, adding a sleek and modern aesthetic. Setting up your new aquatic world is incredibly easy. It comes with a step-by-step guide, making it perfect for beginners to get started right away. Experience your aquascape in stunning detail with its high-clarity glass. Boasting 91.2% light transmittance, it makes your underwater world truly pop, offering an immersive viewing experience. It features premium, yet remarkably simple, filtration and lighting systems. These ensure your water stays clear, plants flourish, and fish remain happy with minimal effort from you. Each kit is complete and ready for immediate use. It includes a lid and a pre-glued leveling mat, so you can start enjoying your new aquarium right out of the box. What we like. This kit is perfect for small spaces and beginners. Its high-clarity glass makes your aquascape truly pop. If you are looking for a sleek, easy-to-maintain tank for your desktop, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to select helpful points. Number 4. AquaSprouts Aquaponics Garden. Discover a revolutionary way to bring nature indoors. This innovative kit creates a harmonious ecosystem right on your desk, perfect for any setting. Experience the magic of aquaponics where fish naturally fertilize your plants. In return, the plants purify the water, creating a clean and healthy environment for them. Once established, this system requires minimal water changes, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to frequent filter replacements, making maintenance a breeze. Cultivate your favorite vegetables, herbs, and greens right at home, regardless of the season. There's no need for additional fertilizers. Your fish provide all the nutrients your plants need. It's an excellent tool for understanding natural ecosystems and perfect for those with limited space. Bring the wonders of nature into your home, office, or classroom. Designed for convenience, it seamlessly fits any standard 10-gallon aquarium. Just add your tank, and you're ready to begin your aquaponics journey. What we like. This unique system creates a self-sustaining ecosystem where fish fertilize plants. It's a fantastic educational tool and requires minimal maintenance. If you're interested in sustainable living or want to explore aquaponics, this is the perfect kit. What people say. Number 3. Marineland Portrait Glass LED Aquarium Kit. This kit features elegant rounded corners and a crystal clear glass canopy. It allows you to enjoy your aquatic world from every perspective. Experience both day and night with its versatile lighting. Bright white LEDs simulate sunlight, while blue LEDs create a serene moonlit ambience. Accessing the interior is simple thanks to its hinged LED lighting and a convenient sliding glass canopy. Keeping it clean and tidy has never been easier. Perfect for small spaces, this 5-gallon aquarium is designed for convenience. It's compatible with Marineland right-size Z filter cartridges for optimal performance. Its advanced 3-stage filtration system is cleverly hidden from view. This ensures a pristine aquatic environment without distracting from the beauty of the tank. This beautifully designed kit is not only stunning but also incredibly easy to assemble and maintain. It offers a hassle-free experience for all aquarium enthusiasts. What we like. Its sleek design with rounded corners and hidden filtration offers an unobstructed view. The dual daylight moonlight LED lighting creates a beautiful ambience. If you prioritize aesthetics and a clean, elegant look for your aquarium, this one is for you. What people say. Number 2. Koller Products 6-gallon AquaView 360 Aquarium Kit. Owning an aquarium brings joy and many wellness benefits to your family. It's a truly fun and rewarding experience for all ages. This kit features energy-efficient LED lighting with 7 dazzling color selections. You can choose from various hues like white, blue, or red to perfectly illuminate your fish and match your mood. It includes a powerful internal filter that cleans and purifies the water at 45 gallons per hour. This effectively removes fish waste and debris, keeping the environment pristine for your aquatic friends. Crafted from impact-resistant plastic, its crystal-clear clarity often gets mistaken for glass. This construction provides leak-proof confidence, ensuring durability and a beautiful view. A built-in light timer allows you to set the LED lights to come on automatically every day. You can easily select settings for 4 hours, 8 hours, or continuous operation with just a flick of your finger. With its compact 11.5-inch diameter and 19.5-inch height, it fits beautifully in various settings. This makes it an ideal choice for any room in your home or office. What we like. This tank offers a vibrant experience with 7 dazzling LED color options and a convenient built-in light timer. Its impact-resistant construction provides peace of mind. If you love customizing your tank's look and want a durable, worry-free setup, consider this option. What people say. Number 1. Tetra Hexagon Bubbling LED Aquarium Kit. Discover the perfect home for your aquatic friends. This compact, stylish kit is designed to enhance any space. Its unique hexagon shape provides a cozy and engaging environment. It's specifically designed to be a great home for betta fish. Watch as a vibrant bubbling disc automatically cycles through a spectrum of LED light colors. This feature adds a beautiful, dynamic glow to your tank. It comes equipped with an air pump-driven Tetra Whisper internal power filter. This powerful filter ensures your tank stays clean, providing a healthy habitat for your pet fish. A single, efficient air pump powers both the captivating bubbling disc and the essential internal filter. This integrated system simplifies setup and operation. The clear canopy features a convenient hole, making feeding your fish simple and mess-free. You can easily provide nourishment without disturbing the tank. This kit is designed for fish of all life stages. It provides a consistent and nurturing environment from juvenile to adult. What we like. This compact, hexagon-shaped kit features a fun, color-changing bubbling disc. It's ideal for small spaces and betta fish. If you like a playful, dynamic display and a simple setup for a single fish, this little tank is a great pick. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.